Hi everybody, I wanted to show you how to do your science graph for this week. So let's say that I've already gotten all the good information and I'm ready to make my graph. It does tell you I can draw on a piece of notebook paper and all that good stuff, but you can also use a template that I'm sending you online that might make it a little bit easier so you don't have to draw. Okay, so if you want to click on from the slides, if you click on here, there is a link that should work and let you move and change the graph on a spreadsheet. But if for some reason this link doesn't work for you on your Google class, so if I go into my Google class and I find my one that says science, remember, because I'm going to say science, this is my practice one, there will be on your science this week a Google sheet that have your name on it. Okay, so let's say that I click on here or even view into assignment. It'll have all my instructions here later. Okay, but let's say like James is here, I can click on this Google sheet because it already has it saved as my name. And then I can do my graph that I can show you in just a moment. But remember, when I'm done with the graph, I can just, in case I run out of time here, I can go back here and just turn it in when I'm finished. Okay, because remember, Google, anything, including these new Google Sheets, will save it for you. Only need to just turn it in when you're done. Okay, so they've already kind of gotten our graph started for us for Monday. So if you look on Monday's weather, I think it was like in a different state, obviously, because this is super cold. 10 degrees, so they have measured it up to 10 for Monday. They've done the 15 degrees up and across to 15, because look, it's counting by fives this week. And let's say I wanted to do the 18, okay? So for Wednesday, what I'll need to do is I'll click on this, because I want it to go up a little bit past the 15, right, for 18. So what I can do is I can click on here and I can go to this fill color tool, and I can make it any kind of color, but I'm going to stick with blue. Okay, whoops, didn't click on it right. And it's going to fill that box in. Okay, if I want it to fill in a couple boxes, I can go and click and highlight and drag. Like I know it's going to have to go up to here, and I can fill in those boxes. Okay, and I know I want it to go a little bit past for 18. Okay, now I can kind of get a little bit technical and try to go in between and closer to 20, but that's going to be pretty good for showing 18. Okay, so again, to fill in those boxes, I can click on just one box and click fill. Okay, and again, I can kind of have fun with the colors and change them up a little bit. Or I could even, if I know it's going to be a longer one, I just clicked and then dragged up, okay, where I want it to go, and then I can do the same as fill. Okay, so again, once I'm finished with that, let's say the whole graph is all done. Excuse my phone. You can go back to your Google class and turn it in. So hopefully that will help you out. I believe you can also even print this out from this Google sheet and color it in if that is easier for you. Okay, but just wanted to give you a way to do a graph without having to draw one completely from scratch. All right, have fun.